now proceed to the starting line. Once again, for the end time, may request our spectators to move out of the block area, that means the warm-up area, warm-up lane of our runners. Move backward, please. Thank you. And then yung mga nanonood po ng vaccine, doon po kayo sa side. Hindi po sa harap. Kasi may athletics po tayo. Kindly move to the side of the boxing ring. Thank you. Call for shot put. Elementary boys final. Call for shot put. Elementary boys final. Call for high jump. Secondary boys final. Call for high jump. Secondary boys final. Players, please assemble at the call area now. Thank you.
Second place, Norway beat your winner by heavy stop contest due to injury. With first place, Ronald Esenio of Baguio City. Now we of Benguet.